So the euro reached a 2.5-year high versus the dollar today. Christopher Whittall from the Wall Street Journal joins us now. Chris, good morning.
Morning, Cheryl.
So what's going on behind the weakness of the dollar? It's really playing havoc on markets over there.
Yeah, so the dollar has been weakening for a while now, but this is in the context of it shooting up really quite aggressively after the election of Donald Trump. As you remember, that came on the back of markets thinking that President Trump's policies of cutting taxes, boosting infrastructure spending would boost growth, and that would, get the Federal Reserve hiking rates more quickly, and it would also push the dollar up. What's happened this year is that inflation has actually remained very low. It's been surprising economists. At the same time, you've seen in Washington legislation not passing there as quickly as people may have hoped. So on that, the dollar has weakened slightly on expectations of growth and inflation not coming through so quickly, and as a result, the Federal Reserve not hiking interest rates as quickly as people had hoped. Right. So that's been one thing, but there have also been some more individual recent factors as well. You've had the tensions in North Korea. That's caused investors to go into haven assets like gold and to buy currencies like the yen and the Swiss franc, which they tend to move into when they're worried. That's pushed the dollar down. And you've also, as you well know, you've had these awful hurricanes hitting the US, as well as the terrible human costs. That can have economic costs as well, and at the margin perhaps feed into the idea that the Fed isn't going to raise interest rates as quickly as people thought beforehand.
Right.
Finally, you've got the European Central Bank yesterday. They upgraded their growth forecasts, and it kind of reaffirmed this story of the Eurozone doing better, which pushed up the euro, and of course on the other side that pushes the dollar down.
And
so as you can see across the board, the dollar's come under a lot of pressure. Although that's not necessarily a bad thing for the US overall. It means the Fed may not have to move so quickly, and it can help US companies too.
Christopher, thank you very much.